Hi, welcome to Curiosity TV. Today I'll be showing you a top site you can go. A top site you can go what? Start making money for yourself. Start making money for yourself. Now go to a site name Gazelle. 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 Other alternative, you can just search for gazelle. You can see this www.gazelle.com. Now click on it. Go to the site. So on this site, you will be allowed to sell what? Your smartphone, and also opportunity to watch buy smartphone. Honest part about even the good thing about this site is that apart from just selling your smartphone, you won't be the one to pay your exporting fee, the exporting of the goods fee. The site is going to pay. Site is going to pay. Site is going to pay. Now scroll down. You can see many option givings. You can see sell iPhone 7, sell my phone, buy iPhone X Max, trade in iPhone, buy used iPhone. Now what we need here is what? To click on the sell my phone. That's what we need. Now we are not on it. You can see you can sell your iPhone, your Apple iPhone, your Samsung and Google. Samsung and Google, whether it's matched, soaked, or just plain. You buy broken iPhones, whether it's matched, are you saying? Whether it's matched, soaked, or just plain, then you can just go to this platform. You can just go to this platform or go to this one. Can see. All these are all the type of iPhone they buy. They will need to click on it to what? They also buy iPhone 6s to check the requirement for it. It is selected your iPhone 6 to sell. It takes just a few minutes to sell your iPhone 6s. Change the model, select a carrier. Let's just use one carrier we want. Let's just use other. Then we'll explain the offer. Type it and said okay, if it's iPhone 6 128 gig, iPhone 6s 64 gig, iPhone 6s 32 gig. Let's click on 32 gig because that's very rampant. No, it is still loading. You cannot see. All these are the questions they normally ask. You can see your gazelle depending upon get paid $25. $25. They buy the iPhone for $25. They offer you $25 for it. First of all, let's determine the condition. Does the device power on? Yes. Is the device fully functional and all part of the screen lights off? Yes. Are the front and back free of cracks? Yes. What's the overall cosmetic condition? Looks like new. Excellent condition. See, depending upon the device suspension. Your gazelle of excellent condition, $25. They offer you $25 for this phone. $25 for this phone. 2% of phones and tablets will receive that in excellent condition. You can see. Then you click on get paid. Then you input your email address. So that's just it. That's just it. Now go to this platform now and start buying and selling your phone. And start buying and selling your phone for free. That's just for today. Quickly hit the notification bell and the subscribe button so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I drop also video just like this. Thanks.